Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I've prepared a Square-1 notation tutorial for all you guys because I know it's frustrating and I just want to make it the best learning experience for you. On Square-1 we got a top move and a bottom move known on the 3x3 as U and D, but on Square-1 it is not used in letters, it is used in numbers. So now how do you find the value of the numbers? Well, it's pretty simple, but at the same time not so simple. The edges are worth 1, and the corners are worth 2. And the other move, which is pretty basic, is just a slash. Now, how do you figure out which direction to turn it? Well, if it has a minus sign before the number, just do it counterclockwise. If it doesn't have a minus sign, just do normal clockwise. And how do you tell which layer to turn? Well, in an algorithm, you have a set of two numbers. The first number represents the top, and the second represents the bottom. Now, one last thing. The centerpieces need to be like this. The smaller piece over on this left side and the bigger piece on the right side. And this is the normal position for executing an algorithm. Now we're just going to use everything you just learned to execute this algorithm. Okay, so first you're going to hold it in this position, and then we have first number is 3, and the second number is 2, slash 5, 1, slash. And that's how you learn the Square-1 notation. I just noticed something. What is that on the cube? Now, you guys can go check out this Square-1 tutorial or another video made by me. And thanks for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. And please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.